Hey guys, welcome back to How to Create a Tycoon Part 2! Okay guys, so today we're going to probably we're gonna add paths so you can buy weapons and other stuff, okay? So last time we got this done, we got the wall, we got this Tycoon here. So all I want to do right now for this tutorial, I'm gonna remove this spawn point. I'm gonna move it. So I'm just gonna quickly see how the wall actually looks. I'm gonna copy this, paste this into, and I see we have that much space. So I think right here is perfect for the paths. Okay, so we're gonna have a path like here, another path like somewhere else. Yeah. All right. So what we're gonna do is we are going to again copy one of, and we're just gonna take it and we're gonna probably put it in like more of the center, but I think it should really be here so you can buy the paths. So we're gonna go into it, we're gonna rename it and call it buy path, okay? And we're gonna change the price to not the price. So we're gonna do path, and we're gonna say it costs like 1,000. So I'm gonna put a comma 1,000. So we can go into the buy. We can actually delete this. We don't need that, and we can go now. Yeah. So we're gonna open the script, right? And also now what we can do is we can actually add a path. We just create a nice little path here. So I want one to here, for example, like kind of like that. So I don't also want it to interfere, so I'm gonna make it anchored, and I'm gonna put no can collide because I don't want it to interfere with it. Yeah. So this is weird. I don't know why that. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so I want it to be like that. And the thing is, I don't want it to interfere with anything. So I'm actually gonna move this one, and we're gonna move it like over here near more of like the wall. So one price over there. And yeah, so now we're just gonna create this path, make it nicer. Someone do that, duplicate it again, do this like that, and then we can stretch it out like this. I'm gonna make this a bit smaller, make bigger, that. And how should we also do it? We should probably add a path where we're gonna make our tools place. So I'm gonna do this again, make it a bit smaller, stretch it out over here like that. And I'm gonna make another path. I'm gonna duplicate this again, stretch it out, put it here, and yeah. So I'm gonna just stretch it out here. And that's all I'm gonna do for this path. So I'm gonna take all this and I'm gonna go to model and union it, and I'm gonna call it path. Okay, and I'm gonna just remove can collide. Okay, yeah, so it's already gone, and anchored is already good. So we got our path. Now I think we can just okay, yeah. So we can't use a color right now, so I'm gonna Control Z and get away from unioning it. So guys, you should make this a color whatever you remove the union by Control Z and then move it and make it the color you want. I'm gonna make it like this color, and then afterward union it. And then what we can do, we should get this plugin. Okay, we should get this plugin, guys. It's called Add Easy Texture. Okay, so it should be. Oh, these are not the ones. Okay, do not trust these. Oh no, it's because I need to go to plugin here. Yeah, this one right here. Get this one, okay? And it will allow you to get many different textures, and it's actually pretty lit. So yes, I think you guys should use this one. So now let's just see what I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna put let's see I'm gonna do low poly, and I'm gonna choose which ones are really good. I think I might just choose like one that's just like triangles. And oh yeah, this one right here, I'm gonna choose that one. Have color, and I'm gonna change the color to a beachy color, kind of like that. There we go. So I think it should update. Oh yeah, it worked. Okay. Yes, we got out. See, that looks not too bad. And I'm just gonna make it, I think I can change the color from here. Does it not allow me to do that? No, I don't think okay. So if you want to change the color, you have to go back to the plug. Let's change. So I'm gonna make it, so it's already pretty bright. Thing is, I don't really like how, I want it more of a brown. So let's make it a more brownish color. Like, I think that's good. So update textures. Update. No, not updating. Oh, that seems about incorrect. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna keep this, guys. So this is gonna be my path. And now, we can actually take this and we can call this path. And I'm gonna just take this, right? And I'm gonna put it into replicated storage. And I'm gonna make a new folder in replicated storage. And it's gonna be called path. And I'm gonna just put it in. And I'm gonna call this path. Okay. So now we can go into the buy wall script. okay? And we can actually keep a lot of this. So yeah, what we're gonna do is, so I'm gonna change some stuff in the scripts, because this I don't want to do this anymore, because problem with it is it won't be as good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do local char equals hit dot parent, okay? And then we're gonna do local player equals game dot player, and then do get player from character and do char, okay? And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. And actually, we could take this out. Oh wait, this has a problem. Take this actually, and I'm gonna also put it into. And actually, we can just take all this now, and we can actually put it like in there. So that's gonna be pretty good. Yeah. So now let's just change some stuff. I'm gonna delete like this right here. I'm gonna delete from line 20 to line 11, and actually we can delete this also. So yeah, also we're gonna have to delete this, the what's in the debounce value. We're gonna have to take that off. The only reason why is because we have to make a new one. So let's go into server script service, and then into our data store we made, and in wall 1, you're right, we're gonna also do a new one, and we're gonna call it path 1, okay? So rename all these to path 1. Yeah, so path 1. I'm gonna change this. Path 1. Oh, not path 1. There we go, path 1. And then we can also go down here and do path dot value. And then down here, actually wait, ooh, this is if you're first time joining. Yeah, we're just gonna make it true, okay? When you're first time joining, we're gonna make it true. And then down here, you can do path 1 dot value equals data 5, and then we can go down here and we could just add a variable for our path here. So we're going to local path, and we're going to do path 1. So path 1 equals player dot bool dot path 1, and now we could just take that, and yeah. So in here in local data, and inside of our table, we're going to add another comma here, and we're going to put path 1 dot value. Okay, so that should allow it so it saves. All right, so now we're going to leave this, and we're gonna replace this right here with path player, and we're gonna do wait for child, and we're gonna do bool, okay? And then we're gonna do dot path 1. And I'm gonna check our data store real quick to see if that's true. Yep, so it checks the bool and then path 1. Yep, that's perfect. All right, that's correct. So now we can actually get onto our part here. And obviously we made it $1,000 here, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna change this to 1,000, and I'm gonna change it so it takes out 1,000. Now, what we can do is we could do local clone equals game get service replicated storage dot path 1, and then we're gonna do clone. And then we could do clone dot parent. So basically, okay, yeah. So we're just gonna put in the so equals game dot workspace, okay? And I think that actually could just be everything that yeah, it has already like everything we want on it. So I think that's basically what you have to do for the path. Yeah. So also what I want to do is in this become owner, I want to change something. I also want to make it so when you touch it, this becomes your respawn point. Okay. So I'm gonna go into here. So if touched human, it sets you. So I'm gonna go into right here. I'm gonna do if value no script.parent. Okay. So I'm gonna take this, and down here we're gonna go down here. Actually, let's not go down here. Let's go. Let's see. I'm gonna go into this. Actually, yeah. Let's just go into this, and I'm gonna do. So we're gonna do script dot parent dot. Actually, no. Let's not do that. Let's get the player here. So let's do hit. So let's do local char equals hit dot parent, and then we can do local player equals game dot players, and then we could do get player from character, and then we could just put char inside, and then we could do player, and then we could do dot respawn location equals game dot workspace dot owners dot so let's see see, this is a problem, so it's not actually gonna be this. We're gonna just do script.parent dot whatever. So that should be good. This is just all right. So we got that done. But now I want to just do some things here to help us out. So as you see, I'm gonna delete this again, just like the other script, and I'm gonna actually copy it from our bypass script. So I'm gonna actually take this and just copy. Okay. So now, so right here is actually not right here. We're gonna also take this. We're gonna take this with us, and we're gonna control X and. Oh, I see a problem. If debounce, okay, yeah, that's a problem. Let's think about this here. What can we do to do this? Let's think. Never really thought about that, did I? Okay, wait. So if I go to bypass script, right? Is it the same problem? No, we don't even have that on it. So that's, I guess, okay. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to leave it for now. Let's just leave it for how it was before for now. So let's just leave it how it was. Yeah, alright, so let's see. Basically the problem we have here, so with the by path and then the by wall, it has this and we don't have. So okay, we're gonna actually copy this, right? And we're gonna just paste it in there, and we're just gonna do the same thing. We're gonna copy this, right? And then we're gonna, yeah. Alright, actually, and then, yeah, so then we can do here. So if dbounce that value equal false, then local clone get service, storage, drop. Okay, so let's think about this here. Alright, so what we're gonna do is just leave this out. And we're just gonna press play and just test out. We're gonna just test. Oh, attempt to nil with destroy. Oh, that seems like a big problem. We didn't even buy it before. Okay. Let's see what's going on. So if you're going to by path, it's called by wall script. So by wall script, if, okay, dot value, okay, so check if it's goes into here, dot path 1. Okay, so it should be working, guys. So, oh, I see the problem. Oh my. Alright, I see the problem. Okay. So what we're gonna have to do is, actually, guys, I just realized, basically, we actually have an idea. So we're gonna basically debug our game. So we're gonna go into here, right? And we're gonna Alright, so what we're gonna do is we are going to go into the data store, okay? And in by dropper, yeah, so in by dropper we have this, right? So instead of doing this, we're just gonna copy, okay? And actually we're not gonna copy all of it because I don't want to destroy our whole. So I'm gonna go to data store and we're gonna go down here and we're gonna go into this end here. And I'm gonna paste this in. I'm gonna put in. Alright, so instead of doing this, so this one is the dropper, right? So we're gonna do dropper 1 dot value. So it checks that. So yeah, so then we can actually delete this. And now we can actually make what I wanted to do before. So we could take this and we can just paste it into here, and then we could do local char equals hit.parent, and then local player equals game.players, get player from character char, and we can delete that. Alright. Oh wait, oh, this is a problem for player. The reason why I put it above these ones, so let's put it below that. There we go. So we got that to work. So now we're gonna change it for the other ones as well. So by wall. So we haven't done it for by, but we're gonna take this, okay, and we're gonna just do if, and then we're doing that. Actually, we're gonna take this off. Actually, what we're gonna do is if wall 1 dot value, and yeah, so we're gonna do dot value equal false. Then yeah, so and then what we can do is just copy this, what we had in here, take this off like that, and we're gonna paste that in. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same thing for the other one. So if path 1 dot value equals false, then, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, wall local clone. Actually, not wall clone, we're gonna go into path. So we're gonna go here, and actually might as well rename this. We're gonna call it by path script. Okay, so we got the path. Alright, so we can actually take this again. So we're gonna control X this, delete this, and we can just go into here and paste it. Okay, and the thing is, I think the thing is it might do it multiple times. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna control X this. I'm gonna do if player dot. So this is gonna be a bit annoying. So owners, right? So if play, yeah, okay, so we're gonna put this back here for now. So we're gonna put it back for now, and then what we're gonna do is go here, I guess, and it seems like I think we got it. So yeah, so let's try it out. Press play. So let's try it out. Let's see. Thing is, for some reason our path is just here, and we haven't even bought this, and we haven't touched it either. So if hit.parent.name equal .workspace.owners.tycoon.value. Okay, so it checks if it is, and so that's weird. So it is cloning start, and it's red all, so that just makes it. Oh wait, that's extremely strange. Dropper price. Oh my god, you can buy them time. Oh, okay, wait, bypass. Okay, wait, can I buy this? Why is it already here? So we can see it. So yeah, wait, bypass. Oh, path is already. Okay, that's what we could also do if we wanted to, was just make it transparent, but that's not that. So let's see what's going on here, bro. Did we? Let's go back into the path script and check if. So it's checking if it's true, and actually, well, that's checking if there's a value. Okay, but if dbounce.value equal true, then player.leader stats money value, okay, checks that, is more or equal to then, but we haven't even touched it yet. So I'm just dumb. It's cause of this. It just does it when the player is joining, which we do not want. So, what we're gonna do is figure this out. So, also, we have another problem is that it's not deleting right stuff. So, what we're gonna do is also name.workspace, wait for child. And so, this one is the dropper. So, we're gonna do by dropper 1, and then we're gonna do destroy. So, we're gonna copy this. And for the wall, we're obviously gonna do by wall. So I think by wall, by wall. And then we're also gonna do this here, and we're gonna do by path. So we're gonna destroy them. All right. So now what we have to do is figure out if the player, it's the right player. So let's check that. So yeah. All right. So up here we have a value here, Tycoon 1 string value, and it's right there. So we could just use that one. And by the time that happens, I'm pretty sure it's already loaded in. So we're gonna do if Tycoon 1 is Tycoon 1 dot value is not equal to nil, then Tycoon 1. Okay, so we're gonna do actually if player dot name equals to Tycoon 1 dot value, then boom. So now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in here. Let's see if that's gonna. So this is with the dropper. So let's see if that's gonna work with the drop. And the thing is, I already have a dropper, so that would make sense if it is there. Okay, it's there, and there was actually no problem. So I think that says something already. Alright, so now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take this, we're gonna control X this, and we're gonna do if Tycoon 1 not equal to nil, then paste this in. But actually, before we paste it in, we should also do if player dot name equal Tycoon dot value, then I'm gonna paste it in. And then we're gonna do the same thing here. So I'm gonna take this, control X if, so we're gonna do if Tycoon 1 is not. Actually, wait, we forgot to add a dot value, so we're gonna add dot value to the dot value, and then do not equal to nil, then if player dot name equal Tycoon dot value, then boom, paste it. Alright, so now I should check that. So it should check if it's the right player. So if it equals false, yeah, so okay. And oh, I see the problem, guys, is that it should not be like this. Okay, so let's rearrange this. Let's do player dot bool dot, and this was the type. So if type, actually not type, it was the dropper dropper 1. Yeah, there. And then we're gonna do dot value, and now we can actually change it for like. So we're gonna do player dot bool dot wall 1. And I'm gonna just check the name just to, and it seems to be uppercase 1. And this one doesn't have that for some wall. Actually, no, it's called wall 1 dot value. And we're gonna do the same thing for this one also. So we're gonna do player dot bool dot path 1 dot value. So let's just see if that's okay. So let's press play, see if it's gonna. So okay, those disappeared. Oh. Okay, these are not errors, but that's fine. It did that only once. Thing is, I don't own this. Wait, maybe it thinks I do. Path. Oh, it is false. Okay, wait, well, I'm gonna make it true. So then I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna press play. So shouldn't have destroyed it. Oh, why is it still there? Oh my goodness. Christy dice. Let's see. Okay, if it equals false, but I made it true. So wait, if I press play, let's see, in my player, bool, and then path 1. Why are you not? Oh, it's because, wait, what? This is confusing me now. Okay, I'm gonna go here, make it true, stop the game, so it should save that. And now if I press play, let's see. Oh, it worked. Okay, it worked. So I'm the owner of this, and I can buy this. But I haven't made it so it does a color change for this one, so I'm gonna go to it. I'm gonna do player. I think it's in the players. Yeah, I'm gonna just duplicate one of these, and instead I'm gonna call it. So I'm gonna do instead it's gonna be called path 1 part color change, and it's gonna check if our money is over 1,000, and it's gonna wait for by path and make it green. All right, there we go. So if I press play, it should make it green. See, press play. Yep, it's green, and I can buy it. So if I press this, oh, it worked. But the thing is, when I go on it, it doesn't delete it, so I'm gonna have to fix that right now. So let's go to it. Let's go to bypath, and right here, see the problem. Alright, so what we're gonna do is do script.parent, and I'm gonna do destroy. So it deletes parent. So I go to bypath, it should delete that right there. We don't need it anymore. There we go. So now if I press play though, the value has changed, and it should already be up. There we go. Our path is there, and there. So I have one more little thing for you guys. We made a plugin. It's called Gloom Tools, and if you click it, It's a bit big right now, but you can actually just put it wherever you want, and it will instantly put a data store. So you guys should install this. It'll help you a lot. And Gloomcraft is about inspiration and learning. So I hope you had a great day, and I hope this tutorial helped you, and have a good day. Bye!